Hello everyone, I am back. I am making cherry cobbler right here, cherry pineapple cobbler. And then here's the picture right here. Does it look like real cobbler? Yes, it does. Except it's not real, it's just a picture. Okay.
Speak clearly.
We've already done the butter, so we had 2 sticks of melted butter, which we do have, but it's melted. And now we are going to pour these inside.
What are they?
They are pineapple chunks, which I do like pineapples. Still more. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can't hide from me, pineapples. You think so? There's only just 2 lonely ones. Okay. Now this bottle's lonely. Okay, now we just need to pour the heavy cherries in here.
You'll have to scoop it out, honey.
Okay.
Just watch your finger.
I know. A little bit more cherries left. Just 2 more. Okay.
Okay.
Let's put you right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Devin, and you want to spread it around.
Okay.
Use this.
Okay.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm spreading them around now because if you don't spread them around, you won't get it. You won't get it perfectly done. Am I right?
You won't have pineapples and cherries in each bite.
Yeah, you won't have pineapples and cherries in each bite. Only at the bottom you'll eat pineapples and cherries. Is that good?
Okay. And what do we preheat the oven to?
We preheat the oven to 350, which I will do.
Other way.
No, other
Mm-hmm.
way. Okay, then pour cherries in. Okay, we already did that. Sprinkle dry cake mix on top. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We have our dry cake mix. Sprinkle it a little.
All over the top. Mm-hmm. Okay, we can spread it around.
Okay.
Pour it all in there.
Okay. Now it looks like snow. Yay, it's a snow day. Where it's icy and cold. Here we go. Yay, big snowstorm. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Just put that aside. So,
It's fine.
okay, wash your hands.
Okay. Don't have to clean.
Because we don't lick our fingers when we bake, right?
Yeah.
Okay, dry them off. Alright.
Sorry guys, we just had technical difficulties.
Okay, go ahead
We're
and
fine.
spread the cake mix. Spread the cake mix evenly.
Like, okay.
Yeah, with that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So what we're doing is we're spreading the cake mix now. Which is a little complicated.
It's okay, it doesn't have to be, doesn't have to even it out. Just even it out. Okay.
That good?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and here, hold the
Okay.
iPad. Okay. I'm gonna pour them My mom's gonna pour the hot butter.
Okay.
Tell him.
Well, my mom's gonna pour the hot butter into the cherry cobbler, which is not done yet, obviously.